What's going on, guys? Average Tech Guy here, and today we are back with more case reviews for the iPhone 11. This time we're going to be looking at cases from i-Blason. We have the Aries and we have the Halo. Let's get them on. Let's check them out. So i-Blason, great company. You can see the cases right here. You can see these in the back, these boxes in the back. There are no cases in those boxes. I just put them up there for show. But these are the new cases that they have to offer for the iPhone 11. Now, these also come for the iPhone Pro and the Pro Max. So we're just gonna try this on since we do have the 11 right here. This is the Halo. Now, let's talk about the Halo just for a moment. Rubberized TPU does hold some fingerprints, so you will get some fingerprints on it. So when you order this one, it actually says black, but it's more of a gray color around the edge. And then you get this one over here, which is a crystal clear. Most people are probably going for the crystal clear just because these iPhones now come in all different kind of colors. But let's get it in and see how we like it. So fits like a glove. You do get a raised bezel right there around the top and the bottom. Buttons nice and tactile. Everything feels good. All the cutouts match up. You get to see that nice iPhone color through the back right there, and everything pretty much matches up really nice. Camera sits down in a recess. It's going to be protected. Wireless charging is a go. No issues with that. Like I said, it comes in two variants. You got the gray and you got the actual crystal clear. Two great cases that you can pick up from the company i-Blason for that brand new iPhone 11. So moving right along, these are from the lineup of Aries. So Aries cases, I'm just going to pick one out of the bunch and try it since they are all made the same. I'll explain to you how these actually work. The Aries is a hard shell on the back and a plastic covering on the front. When you peel this open, you're always going to peel from down here in this corner. Pop it out. Do like that. Take your phone, drop this cover on. So you automatically get screen protection right there. There we go. Pop all that back in. Make sure everything seals in really nicely. So we got it in there. We're going to hold it up. We're going to unlock it. Swipe it. And there we go. So touch is not hindered through that screen on there. It's already pre-installed. It's going to be nice and protected. Everything looks good. Everything seems to be working nice and well. Let's do this. Boom. There we go. Nice raised lip. Drop it down. You can't see it. Drop it down. No issues whatsoever. Screen is not going to be harmed. You have that plastic covering. Plus you have these edges. Your cutouts are protected right there, as well as right there on the bottom. Speakers line up really nicely. Buttons nice and tactile. Camera sits right down. Does it disappear? Yep, disappears. So it is protected from that back. No issues whatsoever. Comes in a green color. You can get this in black, blue, and also they have a purple. Wireless charging is on deck. I did knock this off, I think. I want you to hear the sound when I drop this. Turn that on. Wireless charging is a go with the Aries. So here we got two great case lines. This is the Aries over here, 1, 2, and 3. And then right here, we got the Halo. You're clear, you're good to go. These are the types of cases that people are going to be looking for just because you can show off the back of that iPhone with whatever color that you purchase. But great cases, they're going to protect, they're going to be nice, they're going to be stylish, they're going to help you out, and they're going to save that iPhone just in case you drop it. It's not going to get damaged on the front or on the back. So hopefully this has been able to help someone out. Until next time, be sure and give me that thumbs up. Please subscribe. Average Tech Guy out. Peace.